You just took a loss, a bad one. It stings. Your account is down, but more than that, you're angry. The market took your money. You want it back, right now. So you enter another trade. Bigger size, worse setup. This is revenge trading, the most expensive emotional response in trading. Here's what's happening. You're trading emotionally, driven by the need to recover losses immediately. This isn't based on analysis. It's based on anger, frustration, wounded pride. The market hurt you, and you're trying to hurt it back. But markets don't feel pain. You do. Revenge trading only amplifies that pain. Let me show you how this gets triggered. A loss happens. That's normal, part of trading. But your brain processes it as an attack. Personal. The market took from you. Your ego wants to take it back. Logic says wait. Emotion says trade. Emotion wins. You click into the worst possible setup. Why is this so dangerous? Revenge trading breaks every rule you have. It ignores your setups. It increases position size. It chases price. It enters on tilt. Each one of those alone is dangerous. Together, they're account destroying. Most blown accounts don't come from one bad trade. They come from the revenge spiral after one bad trade. Here's how the spiral works. First loss stings. You enter a revenge trade with bigger size. It loses. Now you're down even more. The pain intensifies. You enter another trade, even bigger. It loses too. Now you're desperate. Each loss increases the urgency. Each urgency increases the recklessness. This compounds fast. A 5% loss becomes 20%. 20 becomes 50. All in one session. All from revenge. Know the recognition signals. Immediately after a loss, you're searching for another trade. You feel urgency, need to be back in, sizing up. I need to make it back faster. Justifying marginal setups. This will work. Angry at the market. I'll show it. Red flags. You're not trading. You're seeking revenge. Mandatory pause rule. After any loss, mandatory pause. 15 minutes minimum. Walk away from your screens. During that pause, ask one question. Am I looking for my setup or looking to get even? If the answer is get even, you're not ready. Extend the pause. An hour. A day. However long it takes. If you catch yourself in revenge mode, break the pattern. Stop immediately. Write down what you're feeling. Seeing these words on paper breaks the emotional cycle. You can't revenge trade unconsciously once you've named it. The acceptance protocol. The loss happened. You can't undo it. Two choices: accept it and move forward, or fight it with revenge and make it worse. Fighting losses makes them bigger. Accepting them keeps them small. Acceptance isn't giving up. It's protecting your capital. Position size reset. After any emotional loss, mandatory reduction. Next trade, half size. This removes temptation to get even and forces focus back on process. Return to full size after 3 consecutive process-perfect trades. The math truth. A 5% loss requires a 5.26% gain to get even. 10% needs 11.11%. 20% needs 25%. The math gets worse as losses grow. Revenge trading grows losses, making recovery impossible. A small loss becomes a hole you can't climb out of. Why don't professionals revenge trade? They've accepted market reality. Losses happen, part of the game. No loss is personal. They're just executing their edge. Probability playing out. Getting emotional breaks the process. Broken process means no edge. Set a daily loss limit. It's your protection against revenge spirals. When you hit it, you're done for the day. No exceptions. Not one more to get even. Done. This forces pause before the spiral starts. The overnight rule, significant loss. No more trading that day. Walk away, sleep on it. Tomorrow, reassess. This interrupts emotional momentum. Revenge impulse is urgent, needs immediate action. Forcing delay kills that urgency. Tomorrow, you'll see the setup clearly. Today, you only see red. The truth. The loss already happened. You can't trade it away. Two outcomes exist. Accept it as the cost of business and move forward. Or compound it with revenge trades and blow up. The market doesn't care which you choose. Your account does. Your future does. Revenge trading feels like strength. Taking action, fighting back. It's not strength, it's weakness. Emotion overriding process. True strength is accepting the loss, maintaining discipline, waiting for your next valid setup. That's hard. Why most fail? They choose revenge. Professionals choose process. Next time you take a loss that stings, and you will, you'll feel the anger, the urge to get even. That's normal. That's human. What separates profitable traders isn't the absence of that feeling. It's what they do next. Amateurs trade, professionals pause. Be professional. Pause. Process. Then when you're ready, trade your setup, not your emotion.